English Language ABC Academy. One day, a mother and daughter decided to bring dessert ingredients and make them together in the kitchen. The mother had her own recipe and wanted to teach her daughter how to make this traditional dessert. The mother began explaining each step in detail to her daughter with compassion and precision, and the daughter was very excited to help and learn how to make this dessert that she loves and was lovingly prepared by her mother. The process began with mixing the ingredients and forming the dough. The mother was guiding her daughter step by step, and at the same time she was talking about her own memories and how she used to prepare this dessert with her mother when she was the same age as her daughter is now. When they finished shaping the dessert and putting it in the oven, the delicious smell began to fill the kitchen, making the daughter excited and curious to see the final result. After the dessert came out of the oven and was left to cool a little, they began decorating it and cutting it into different shapes. The mother and daughter were laughing, talking, and laughing during this process, as it was an enjoyable experience, full of fun and love. When they finished, they sat together and ate the sweets they had made with love and care, sharing their memories and happiness together, making this experience an unforgettable moment of bonding and closeness between mother and daughter.